Hi traders, welcome back to the channel, and if you are serious about leveling up your binary trading game, this video is very important. Watch it until the very end, but if you are just here to gamble, you might want to skip this one. In this video, I'm going deeper into the sweep entry model, breaking it down step by step. This strategy has been working really well on Quotex across different time frame. So without further delay, let's get started. The moment I spotted a sweep happening, I immediately took a call entry even though the major trend is downtrend, but this sweep entry is very strong and powerful. Here the doji low was taken out by this green candle, which is very strong, and it closed above the wick of the previous doji candle, giving me a continuation signal. So the next reversal zone is up here. Before that, there is no immediate support and resistance whatsoever. There is plenty of room for a candle to form as a green one, even though the major trend looks downtrend. But because my sweep entry model is so powerful that I took a high probability trade even when the market major trend is downtrend. And look at that, this is a winning trade. Now let me go in further deeper. You must be wondering, I can take one more call entry, the next reversal zone is up there and the major trend is downtrend. But if the sweep was something like this, if the green candle wick has swept the low and if this current green candle has given me a continuation signal, then I would have taken a call entry, but the low is not swept, and because the major trend is downtrend and the low is not swept yet, I have not placed my call entry because trading according to the trend is most important. If the sweep happened and the candle gave me a continuation signal, I would have taken a call entry, but that didn't happen, so the market can print one red candle. So the chances are 50-50, which is why I am avoiding any call entry in this market right now. All right, traders, so now let's find some high probability trade setup. I need sweep entry model. So here a lot of wicks are present and a sweep has happened with a red candle. Now the confirmation here I want is the low should break. Okay, the sweep has happened already. I need one confirmation. If the current candle breaks the low, then I can take a put entry trade directly at the opening of the candle. But let's see how this candle closes. This low should be taken out, okay, and the candle should close below the low of the red candle. Okay, so let's see, this high is swept by a wick, so I need a confirmation, but I'm not getting any confirmation right now. The candle is forming inside candle. Whatever candle forms between the high and the low, that would be considered as the inside candle. I will not take any trades here, so market can go either way. So let's see if this current red candle closes below the wick of the red candle. Oh no, it didn't. So I'm not going to place any put entry. That is not my sweep entry model. There's no confirmation. So let's see how this candle closes. A sweep has happened, a green candle. Not this one as well. So let's see more examples. Market will give us more opportunity. We just have to be very, very patient with our entry criteria. So let's see. Not this one. Okay, here. Not this one as well. Let's keep going on, and here you see now the low has taken out. The same chart, USD ARS. Let me mark my level with a horizontal rectangular box so that it'll be very easy for you to understand. Here the low, this is the low, right? So the candle, this red candle, should close below the low. That will be my confirmation, and I've taken direct put entry, two back-to-back trades, because I'm very confident with my trade here. Sweep entry model is very, very powerful, especially if you are trading with 1 minute or 2 minute time frame, especially in binary trading. So here the sweep has already happened. All I was waiting was for a confirmation, and the confirmation is already here. The low has been taken out and the candle closed below the low of the previous candle, right? And now the next reversal zone is somewhere around here. So before that, there is no immediate support and resistance. If market gives us continuation, I can go back to back put entry up to the next reversal zone. So let's see how this candle closes. Side by side, I also want you to keep watching the reaction of the candle. If in last 5 seconds the candle gives me a sudden reaction, from down to up, that means sellers are getting weaker and buyers are present. So I will not be taking any put entry here. So okay, I will not be taking any put entry here because this red candle has closed inside the wick of the previous red candle. That means market has tendency to give me one green candle. So I will not be taking any put entry. I hope you understand how sweep entry model works. I want you to practice this in your demo account and let me know in the comment section how this is going so far. And yes, if you're not in my Telegram channel, you can join it. The link is mentioned in the description box below, where I provide daily signals. And yes, I have also a VIP group. You can join that too. With that, I'm signing off for today. I'll come back with another video. Until then, keep learning and happy trading, guys.